And we could see some rain kind of creep in here.
Yes.
Certainly nothing like that.
Nothing like that. And even though it's been downgraded to a 3, its movement is slow. So heavy rain and flooding is going to be real issues for Hawaii. For us, no flooding, but you mentioned a chance for a couple of showers. If you forget the umbrella tomorrow, I don't think you get that wet. Looks like a good part of this weather system that's moving our way is going to fall apart as it does move our way. 67 right now. Winds are out of the south-southeast at 8. We did make it to 80 degrees, spending most of the day in the 70s, and we started this morning in the mid-50s. Most locations will be back into the 50s first thing tomorrow morning. We are in the clear in terms of clouds and rain right now. We were tracking some showers across parts of Missouri. Those have fallen apart, but starting to re-energize now across the northwestern sections of that state, also across parts of the Dakotas. A severe thunderstorm watch in effect at this hour. All part of a weather system that will have an impact locally over the next couple of days. A little bit of sunshine in the forecast. You'll need to get up early to enjoy it. 63 at 9 a.m. Clouds thicken quickly by midday, along with that chance for a couple of afternoon and early evening showers. 71 at 1 p.m. Chance for a few showers at 5 p.m. Temperature of 72. So we'll spend tomorrow in the 70s with increasing clouds and that chance for a few showers. The farther east you are, the more sunshine you will enjoy through about midday. Clouds start to thicken for the western half of the state around lunchtime. Here comes the weather system anytime afternoon. Chance for a couple of showers, but you can see with Future Track 13, a lot of this falls apart. We will keep a stray shower in the forecast for Friday evening, but make some outdoor plans because I don't think it's going to rain too much. That includes Operation Football. It's week 2 of high school football, and temperatures will be nice and mild in the low 70s. Back to Future Track 13 where we left off. We'll pick it up early Saturday morning, still indicating a complex of storms. If this holds together and moves our way, we will start Saturday with rain and storms. That's Saturday at 7 a.m. It is forecast to move out quickly. That means we'll get some afternoon hours of dry weather Saturday. I don't know if it'll be enough to have the roof open. We'll keep you updated on that. Preseason game at Lucas Oil Saturday against the 49ers. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s on Saturday, and really the heat will be our bigger story as we move forward. Chance for a few showers, increasing clouds tomorrow, 76. Scattered storms right now. It looks like the best chance will be early in the day on Saturday. A pop-up storm, and then heat is in the forecast starting Sunday. That will last through the middle part of next week with highs near 90.